Right, so just setting up for that one, and a really sketchy looking car full of blokes pulled up, and then sat there and watched me for a few seconds. So I left. Yeah, this is the thing. Even come to like the really beautiful scenic parts of South Africa, and you can't get away from the sort of security worries. It's really sad, but you know, I'm not gonna take a chance just for a fucking photo. It is what it is here. I know some people have said it's not as bad as it's made out to be, but there've been a lot of occasions where, you know, me and Jade and people I work with have felt really unsafe, and you know, you can just tell something's going to happen. The atmosphere is just a bit off. That's how it goes here sometimes. So anyway, yeah, so I've knocked that idea on the head. I don't know, maybe it's a little bit silly just sitting in a lay-by with all my gear out for everybody to see. I don't know. I'm just heading a little bit further around the coast now to a little town. Well, not even a town, a little seaside sort of village called Llandudno, where we were at the beach yesterday. Kind of popped into my mind, might be a really good place to shoot, so I'm just going to have a quick look and we'll just see what it's like. Jesus, I love the speed bumps in South Africa. I don't even know if I'm going the right way now. Oh, there's some kind of bloody TV production company right where I need to park my car. What's the chances that the night I want to park in a particular spot, there's a TV production company there and a lot of lorries and it's all cordoned off? Fucking moths flying in my face. Really misty. I'm gonna have a quick test shot on top of this rock. There's some guys shouting me. I'm gonna see what they're after. How's it? I'm just taking some photos of the sea. Is that all cool?
Yeah, it's cool. No, we're just checking.
I just wondered, yeah, because I was going to park here, and then I came around the corner and I saw all the vans parked up. So.
Yes, we're busy with the film.
Oh, you're filming?
Yes.
Oh, I thought so. Okay, cool. But yeah, I'm just taking some photos down on the rocks here. So. Awesome. Thank you. Friendly enough. They're doing some filming. Big production, though. Big Panavision lorries around. Well, it's not bad to start with. Let's work on that. Looking for something that can lead in, or at least a little bit of foreground interest, maybe. I wonder if these cracks here might work quite nicely. Let's try. I could try this one. There's the patch of foliage there. It doesn't work with both, and then I'll just try that front one there. That's a lot. Pretty pleased with that. That's awesome. So we can get a little further down these rocks. So we can see, I think the tide's coming in, and compared to last time I was here, the tide is definitely further out. So let's just get a bit closer to the waves. Check a few of the compositions out. And again, this is another one that strikes me straight away. This sort of line in the rock here, leading up to the mountain. Pro tip, not really. So what I do sometimes is if it's particularly dark like this, and I need something to pull the foreground up a little bit, I'll use some very, very diffused sort of ambient light, torch or head torch or whatever. I'll either cup it in my hand like that, and just slowly move around the scene like this, so that it bounces off my hand, or I'll bounce it off, dark eye in my clothing or something like that. It really diffuses it, and if you move it around, it keeps it nice and soft, so you don't get any harsh shadows. It just gives it that little extra couple of stops to play with, and just pulls it up a little bit, makes it a hell of a lot easier to deal with in post. I mean, yeah, that's. I'm really, really chuffed with that. I'm kind of tempted to quit while I'm ahead, because I mean that's really good. Also, these rocks are getting really wet, and I don't know if the tides maybe is going out, and that's why they're wet, or whether it's come up and splashed on the top of the rock. I'm not really sure. To be honest, and. Yeah, I think a lot of photographers wouldn't just come out and say it, but a lot of the time you just kind of get the settings right, and it's more like you just happen to be in the right place. Like that view, I just happen to be here at this time. It's dark. It's an awesome view across there. There's waves coming in and stuff like that. There's not like tons of skill to it. Sometimes there is. Would tons be the right word? Probably not. There's a little bit of skill to getting to know your camera and getting to grips with how it works and things, and what settings are required for what particular environments and stuff. A lot of it's just being in the right place. Not always, but like now, I was in the right place, and I've ended up with an awesome shot like that. So, yeah, take that however you want to take it. So yeah, so hopefully tomorrow night we might get out again, and I may, I don't know, either Lion's Head, yeah, maybe Lion's Head, maybe we'll go for a little walk up Lion's Head, and just see what there is to shoot at night. So yeah, let's get on with that. So here I am back on the roof again, sort of scuppered by the by the weather. She's kind of annoying. If I'd have set everything going, maybe the day before when the weather was good, I could have done everything I wanted to do. But it started off okay this morning, and then the weather's kind of changed throughout the day, and now it's raining. And I know I normally go out in rain and whatever weather. The weather doesn't bother me, but the specific shots I want to get with, and I sort of did a bit of a recce this morning, table mounting with the stars over the top, and the view from Lion's Head with table mounting, and 12 apostles with the stars over the top, and that's not going to work when there's rain on my lens and just thick cloud cover. So yeah, I'm kind of done. Which is a bit frustrating, but the shots that I got last night have more than made up for that for me for this trip. I'm really pleased with them. So I'm gonna call it a day there. But we're planning on coming back to Cape Town again anyway. And I'm just going to have to get those shots next time we're here, which I'm looking forward to be honest. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you again for another South Africa astro landscape photography vlog. That thing there, it's scaring the hell out of me. I keep thinking there's a little guy sat watching me.